Hello YouTube, this is a quick unboxing of the Texpert Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin. It comes in a simple box. Let's see how you cut this. Oops. Okay, you open up. It's a couple nozzles, sealing caps, a couple small measuring cups. Let's see, what does it have on it? Milliliters. They have the same. We have the A and B resins. What's in here? You have a couple stir sticks. Don't know what all that other stuff is. Instruction manual, little dropper, and another little dropper. That's what it comes with. You get 2 A and B resins, 2 droppers, 2 caps, 2 cups, some stirring sticks and other things. Hope this helped. Amazon affiliate link in the description below.